What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life in the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I don't know if it matters. This is the push button start, but I think the key is the same. But from the vehicle being off, you want to turn on the ignition twice. You don't want to have your foot on the brake because you don't want to start the car. You just want to tap the ignition twice. And after everything turns on, you're going to step on the gas pedal, fully depress the gas pedal 3 times within 10 seconds, and that should reset it. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and that should reset the oil life, which it did. Oil life is now back to 100%, and hopefully let's see if the message went away as well. She had a message on here that said she needed an oil change. Yep. So both messages have gone away, and that is now reset.